kembali lagi bersama Terry. Nah, kali ini Terry udah ada di salah satu event yang paling ditunggu oleh mahasiswa ITS. Apalagi kalau bukan Community and Technological Camp Insight 2018 Exhibition. Penasaran gimana keseruannya? Yuk kita lihat. Okay, hello, what's your name?
My name is Henry.
Where did you came from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Can you explain a bit about this project?
Our process, we talk about the household waste, and the main topic is where the task go. Yeah, and because we think it's a serious problem of this Surabaya, because Surabaya is a big city. So if you see here, it's around 1,600 tons of waste per day, and the household waste, they are the food waste, they are kitchen waste, they are the vegetable waste. So in the composting center, they use the technology to change the organic waste become the fertilizer for growing the plant. And we also do the surveys by asking the people, if you focus on the question number 2, do you separate your task? Just half a people answer, yes, they did. So if the people didn't separate the task, this composting center must do that, and it will be more productive and efficient. Because in Surabaya, when I go surrounding, there are many green trees and green space. So we think that the Surabaya government, they really care about the green environment. In my city, there are many buildings and there are just a few green base. So I think this knowledge give me many information for applying to my city.
Oke Sobat Kampus, itu tadi liputan dari Terry mengenai Community and Technological Camp Insight 2018 Exhibition. Dari Gedung Perpustakaan Institut Teknologi 10 November, kru ITS TV melaporkan.